Hi, welcome to the MuleSoft tutorials. This is Akash, and in this video, we'll discuss about the RESTful API. We'll try to consume one of the RESTful API, and we'll see what is the result we are getting. So to start with, we'll create one new project, REST API proj. Click on Finish. So this will create my new project, and here I will drag one HTTP from palette as an inbound connector, and I will configure this. I will write REST API as an path. We'll save this. And now we'll drag one more HTTP, but this HTTP as an outbound. So we want to call some of the outer web services and we'll get the response. So this is as an outbound connector. So this is a basically HTTP request connector. So to request an API, we need one public API to basically to run that. So there are lots of public APIs you can get it. Just go to search on Google, maybe REST API for testing. Yeah, this is one of the one I have used to test it. So regress request response.in. So we have these have fake data, fake responses. We have these things. We have get, put, post, delete, put, patch, delete. So all things we have over here. What we'll do, we'll try to get the users with on page number 2 or 1 or 3 that we can decide it. So we'll copy this request rest.t. I will configure my HTTP outbound connector. I will click on configuration, add configuration, and here protocol is HTTPS and host is request reqres.in and port is 443. So this port is used for the secure connection. If you don't have secure connection, the port will be 80. And in base URL I will get it from API user is my, let's say, my base URL. Okay, and here I will say slash and then method is get, and I will add one query parameter. Let's say page2 is my query parameter, right? So I will add page2 over here. Query parameter, query param page. Here let's say I want, this is my request, my listener, so I will write one number over here. So according to this number, this will fetch the details. So here I will write hash message dot inbound properties dot http URI param dot. So we have given num over here. So this page num, I will use the same over here at the end, num. So this will be my page number. We'll save this. So we'll see page equals to 2 users we have over here in base URI users 443 and HTTPS. Looks good to me. And we'll save this thing and we'll try to deploy this API. So if there is any query parameter, you can add query parameter. If there is any URI parameter, you can add URI parameter from here, and then we have headers, builders, so everything we have over here. So just need to give the base path, and then rest of things it will we can give in parameters. We saved it and we'll try to run this. Yeah. So this will deploy on a local. So this is successfully deployed. Our HTTP was that one, localhost 8081 API REST API slash num. So I will use this, right, localhost 8081 slash it will REST API. Number will, let's say I'm passing 3. I'll send this. So okay, there's a double quote. We'll remove one of that. So now slash that. So this called the my API, and this shows me the ID on page 3, 7, 8, 9 are the IDs with the name and avatar like a JPG image. Okay, so if I want to fetch page number 2, I will send it. It will send me 4, 5, 6. If I want to check page number 1, we'll have 3 more accounts with an 1, 2, 3 IDs. Okay, so in this way you can basically you can consume any of the RESTful web services. So just we need to use HTTP as an outbound connector, and we will configure that connector. We'll give you all the anything is like query parameter or URI parameter or a header we need to provide, and then path and the method. That's it. If you want to update anything or you want to create something, so we'll use as a post, and we can go to public API. Like say this is the post create. Okay, so this is the request API user, and this is my request body, and we'll get that this is created. So in this way you can try all these requests and try to run by your own. Yeah, so practice more on this thing, you'll get to know more things. So that's it for this video. Thank you.